In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a Roblox YouTube channel banner on mobile. So you can use an app for this. You go to the Play Store, Canva Design. You can use this app. So I have it already, so I'm just going to click on the search bar, click onto Canva, and then you just want to search templates. So I'm going to type YouTube channel banner. Okay, there it is. You just click on YouTube channel banner. Okay, so you have a lot of templates here that you can choose from for a YouTube channel banner, but we want a Roblox one. So that first one kind of looks like a gaming channel. Okay, so if I click onto it, it'll load up the template. Okay, so what you can do is, I don't know who that is, so I'm gonna click onto that picture and then delete it. Delete image. Okay, so you can now add something in there. So if I go to replace, I'm going to allow all. Now it's gone into my gallery, so I don't want that. So I'm going to search for, if you click on back, scroll down here and go to elements. We want Roblox. So I'm going to search elements and then type Roblox. Okay, so we got Roblox logo, Roblox face, Roblox man face. Okay, I'm going to type Roblox face. So these are all pro ones, so you can get a free trial and then use these pro ones for your banner. Okay, so let me get a better one here. Roblox man face. Okay, so you have the logo there in gray and red. So here's a man face of Roblox. Okay, you can make it bigger just to get rid of that. Okay, so it's not the best channel banner, but you can upload this onto YouTube if you're just starting out. Okay, so that is Roblox man face. Okay, so what you have to do now, that doesn't look too bad. Okay, if you want to download this now, you click on to the download button there at the top right, at the top, and it will save it to your phone. Okay, once you see this, just go back. Now it's saved to gallery, and I'll go out of Canva now, go to gallery, and there you can see the channel banner right here. So that's what I came up with. Obviously you want to change the name, so put your channel name there instead of the template one, but that's how you would do it. So if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to this channel.